Morning everyone, we're here, Adelaide 500, day one. Stands all set up. Ken's here, Crocky's best mate. Don't be scared of him. Look how creepy this dude is. I freaking hate him, but no, Bree wants him here, so. Bree's designed this new singlet too. Check this out. Can you do a, yeah, so this is a new.
I have my shoes.
Oh, don't touch the grass! And that's the back. Don't mind the guns. So Bree's made this all on her own. She's asked me for input, but I just said no. This is your project. And it's freaking awesome. Chop's here, washing the RBM3. Thanks, Chop. Thanks, Chop.
All good, bud.
Maddie and Big Hours on the old one. She's a little bit worse for wear. Still haven't got a new guard yet. We're working on that. But yeah, we got a pretty solid setup this year. It's awesome. Got Weber Insurance Services on board. Also got Opsis, they're a cyber security, and also an IT service company. And we're pretty much right out the back corner next to the Dunlop dudes. So over, I think it's gate 8 that's over that way. Yeah, we're not in the greatest spot, but we're here, that's all that matters. Oh, and we just had a special delivery. Brand new race suit. So Autosport did this suit for us. Brand new OMP. Oh. Check it out. Hey. What? Oh, you look disappointed. And we got a clear front because we're waiting for a big sponsor. Real big one. You're out there. Oh, and we got a little squid on the leg. That's sick. It's comfy as hell and it fits my fat guts. It's a big thanks to Autosport for the suit. That's cool. It's like a real lightweight material too, so that'll be good. Oh, we got new hats too. Bree got these pre-bent caps. So all you people that don't know how to bend your caps, we pre-bend them. So we got the flat caps and then the old school baseball caps. That's what Ken's rocking. How creepy he is. He's got like, yeah, I don't like him. I don't like Ken at all. Alright, so today we're on at 1:45, is it? Yeah, the first demo will be 1:45, and this is obviously the Thursday, and then yeah, I'll get back to you on the rest of them because I don't actually know right now. So yeah, we get one lap and let's make the most of it. Yeah. Alright, so we're about to go on track, and we got this little contraption here on the side, which I'll be chucking my old phone on and then going live so you guys can watch it. By the time I post this video, you would have already seen it, but anyway. It's just my old Samsung, and I'll do it through Facebook or Instagram, whatever's easier. Should be bloody good though. Chop, you're getting in the passenger seat. That's your surprise. Suck it in. It's my payback. He got me this. Get your suit, come on, let's go. hard work. The car was so grippy. I had to turn the boost up. So right behind us we got a top fueler. I think that's what you call it. Top fuel drag car. I think they're about to start it, so come and film this. I'm assuming he's about to start it? Yeah, cool. How's the freaking straps on it? Just to hold the freaking blower on.
Yeah, I had a few complaints about your car, a little bit loud.
Who said that?
A couple of people.
Seriously?
She said, Beamer's bloody loud.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, it is, isn't it?
Come, boys. I don't know, I wouldn't want to be anywhere near it when you're starting it, that's for sure. I'm glad I'm over here. Alright, let's kick this in the guts, boys. Oh, looks like they're not starting it. Well, they tried to, but couldn't. I don't know what they're doing.
I'll quickly run
Anyway.
over and start.
We'll go. Oh, is he? Oh, sweet. Yeah, I'm freaking hanging for this. I haven't seen one run in years. How's the rig set up? God damn. Here we go. We got this. This is gonna be nuts. Oh man, that's friggin' nuts. And that's like nothing, eh? Imagine if they really poured it on.